In this video, we will learn how to divide the number 170 by 2 using the long division method. To do this, at first we will write down the numbers 170 and 2 in this way. As 1 is less than 2, that is why we will consider the number 17. We know that 2 times 8 is 16. Subtract, we get 1. Now this 1 is less than 2, that is why we will bring down this 0 here. And we know that 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have no number to bring down here and got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 170 divided by 2 is equal to 85. And this is our final answer. Now let's verify this using a calculator. In calculator, just type 170, then division symbol, then 2, then press equal. You see the answer is 85. So it's verified.